Good morning, guys. So we just woke up and getting ready to go to our next hike, so which will be this one here. So the name is Cathedral Cave in Burinda Gorge. It's 18.4 kilometer with return, which will take us about maybe 5 to 6 hours to complete. So stay with us and wish us luck. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the hiking place. So we're gonna we just took a map, ready and warmed up today. The weather's a bit sunny, so not really rainy, which is good, but it's still a bit cold, so that's why we are all geared up. So we're gonna take the main track. We're doing 18.4 kilometers. Wish us luck, because I guess it will be pretty hard. It will take us about 5 to 6 hours, or maybe less, or maybe more, but average person do it in 5 to 6 hours. So yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so we have only done 1 kilometer and we're just warming up, but it's starting to get really steep. So yeah, we have brought a lot of food. My backpack is full of food and water. Not food, but like snacks and stuff, so we can bite on and get energy. So my bag is around like 20 kilo at the moment. It's a bit challenging me, but it seems good. It's good air here, it's fresh air, and I like doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy watching the video.
Surround me, yeah. Here's my best advice: just let me stay in this vibe and never think that you owe me. Yeah, you can talk to me, boy, and you can move it up close, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not your baby. I might be up for a dance, I might be holding your hand, but that is all I can stand. I'm not your baby, no. You're not gonna get what you came here for. I'm leaving as soon as you ask.
Now it's my brother Abbas's turn to carry the bag. How do you feel? What?
It's not heavy.
Yeah, the amount of time you carry it gets heavier.
I'm only getting started, and now they're playing my song. You look at me and think, damn, she's broken hearted, but you could not be more wrong.
guys, I think we are almost halfway there. We are tired. We're just having a sit here, resting. So just a few precautions that you guys need to take if you ever do this hike. You need to have a footwear that really supports your ankle, because you do cross like a creek over multiple times, and you have you need to jump from one stone to another, on one rock to another, and they are pretty slippery, so you need that. And then the ground is not stable as well, so it goes like that. And there is some of the tracks where there's only rocks, so you need to like walk over the rocks, so you need that stable shoes to support you. Other than that, just bring lots of water and food with you, just like a snack or something to bite on. I got this map here. It just says that it will take 7 hours to complete the hike that we are doing, apparently. So as you can see, we got a map so that we don't get lost. But yeah, it says that it will take us 7 to 8 hours to complete. So that's pretty tough, considering that the longest hike that I have done was maybe 6 or 8 kilometers. So it's pretty big jump. But I think I'm ready. I think my fitness is good. So just wish us luck, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. And yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so we just arrived to the Cathedral Cave. We got a few, we'll check this out, and then after that we will go to the next one, which is another kilometers away, and that's Big Bend. We are not planning to go do that one, but we will do it anyway because it's only a kilometer away. Just to show you guys how it looks and also see it myself. But alright, let's check it out.
Put up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. I just wanna see the light. I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try.
Alright guys, so just beforehand I showed you guys the Cathedral Cave. So it was full of indigenous art, and now we are going towards Buwinda. Let me check the name again because I keep forgetting it. There is a lot of names to remember, but we are going towards Buwinda Gorge. So we are going towards Buwinda Gorge. It's like 2 big caves top of each other, and then there's a little tiny way towards it. So we're just gonna see how it looks like. If it looks good for photos, we can take a few photos. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far and it's not boring. But obviously if you're a nature person, hiking kind of person, you wouldn't find this boring because it's about exploring and stuff.
So let go, I don't
Hi guys, so this is the Bewinda Gorge that I just showed you. Now we are on our way to the Big Bend, and that will be another kilometer away from here. So we will do that, rest there for a bit, and then we'll make our way back to where we park our car, which is another 12 kilometers away. I'm just I'm so like tired, like my breathing is okay, but my legs are tired. It's like giving up. It's like stop, don't go anymore. But you know what, at the end, when you look at these caves and stuff, when you find out, when you explore that there's this stuff around in the world, it's actually worth it walking that long. Okay guys, so this is the Big Bend. We just arrived here, so we did 12 kilometers walk until we arrived here. We got another 12 kilometers to go back, or actually maybe 11 kilometers, because the 1 kilometer we went towards the place that I showed you before, so I'm not gonna count that because we're not gonna go towards that again. We'll go just back to the car park, which is 11 kilometers away. But yeah, let's just check this place out, and I hope you guys like this. And people actually do come camping here. So this hike that we did is the second longest hike in this national park. The longest hike that they have is 87 kilometers, which people come and actually do it, but throughout a few days. I think the people do come and do it for like maybe 5 days or 6 days. So throughout every day they're camping, and then they go back. Keep doing that for a few days. But yeah, I hope that you guys like the video, and then you will come here one day and do it.
Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? Uh-oh. And if I fight, will I come to life, calling for all your light, giving all my heart to you? Uh-oh. And I've been falling, I've been lost, and I've been calling on my ghost. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Oh. I am done. I will stay to find every hidden sign, taking all my roads.
Okay guys, so as I said before, we are walking back to our car. We are actually halfway there. We got 5.1 kilometers left to get there, so we can finally go towards home. Not home, the place where we're staying. But yeah, My feet are really sore. I feel like they are swollen up, so they are like rubbing against each other, my toes. I think I'm gonna get a blister by the end of this. But other than that, I'm actually enjoying it. Because obviously I'm a nature person. I like these places like this here. Because I come here to actually find myself. It feels good for the heart, feels good for the soul. So that's why I'm doing it. But other than that, if you guys like nature, it's good for you to come here as well. If you're not a nature person, I wouldn't recommend it because it's a lot of walking to do, and if you don't like the end what it looks like, then you'll be disappointed.
Face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places.
Alright guys, I think we are just a few hundred meters left to reach where we parked. These last few kilometers or the 100 meters that is left really challenges you. Because you're really tired and all you want to do is just sit down and rest, but it's challenging, I guess, because you gotta put your mind into it and keep motivating yourself that alright, a few hundred meters left, it's just last kilometer, let's do it. But just gotta, I guess, challenge yourself in this kind of situation. But we're still going, almost there, so not long left. Alright guys, this is my happy place. When I see this, it means almost done. So 20 kilometers done and dusted. I hope you guys like the video and leave any comments or feedback that you guys have, and hopefully tomorrow we'll do, tomorrow the place that we go to is a bit relaxing, so we'll have a rest day to rest and get our energy back up. Alright, see you later guys.
You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives.